7 jobs that AI will replace by 2030. By the year 2030, the workplace will look completely different. Artificial intelligence isn't just helping us write emails or generate images anymore. It is reshaping entire industries, and some jobs are on the edge of extinction. In this video, we are diving into 7 jobs that AI is predicted to replace by 2030. These predictions come from research by the World Economic Forum, PwC, McKinsey, and more. So, is your job safe? Let's find out. Job number 1, data entry clerks. If your job involves typing numbers into spreadsheets all day, the reality is that AI already does it faster, cleaner, and without mistakes. The World Economic Forum reports that nearly 7 out of 10 routine data processing roles could vanish within this decade. Instead of a person manually updating databases, AI can scan documents, extract information, and log it automatically. By 2030, data entry will be almost fully automated. Humans will only step in when the AI gets confused. Job number 2, telemarketers. Those sales calls you sometimes get are already changing. In the near future, you probably will not be speaking to a human at all. AI-powered voices are becoming scarily realistic. Google's duplex system can already book appointments over the phone without the other person realizing it is a bot. And according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, telemarketing jobs are declining fast because AI can make thousands of calls at once with perfect consistency. By 2030, most sales calls will come from AI. Job number 3, customer support representatives. We have all chatted with those little pop-up support bots on websites, but here's the thing. They're getting smarter, much smarter. A Gartner study predicts that by 2030, 80% of customer interactions will be handled by AI. That means when you ask a question about your bank account, your flight ticket, or your online order, AI will respond instantly. Humans will only be needed for complex or sensitive cases. Job number 4, retail cashiers. If you have visited an Amazon Go store, you already know the future. No checkout, no waiting, no scanning. Cameras and sensors track what you pick up, and you just walk out. McKinsey estimates that up to 3/4 of cashier jobs could vanish by 2030 in developed economies. Instead of paying at a counter, AI systems will handle the process automatically. The cashier of the future might not exist at all. Job number 5, drivers. Truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery drivers all face disruption. Self-driving technology is moving quickly. Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are investing billions to perfect it. PwC predicts that up to 40% of driving jobs in logistics and transport could be automated by 2030. Imagine fleets of trucks running 24 hours a day without breaks, delivering goods across highways. But here's the twist. While millions of driving jobs may disappear, new jobs will rise in fleet monitoring, AI traffic control, and autonomous vehicle maintenance. So this one is less about job loss and more about job transformation. Job number 6, manufacturing and assembly line workers. This shift has been happening for years, but AI-powered robotics are taking it to the next level. The International Federation of Robotics says robot installations in industries hit record highs in 2023. By 2030, many large factories could be running with minimal human staff. These are not just dumb machines. AI robots can predict when a machine might fail, adjust production speed, and even optimize workflow in real time. The factory of tomorrow will be smart, efficient, and mostly automated. Job number 7, paralegals and legal assistants. Law is complex, but much of the grunt work, like researching cases, drafting contracts, and reviewing documents, is perfect for AI. Tools like Do Not Pay and Harvey AI are already shaking up the legal industry. Goldman Sachs research suggests AI could automate 44% of legal tasks within the next decade. Lawyers will not vanish, of course, but they will be backed by AI that can process thousands of pages of legal documents in seconds. So those were 7 jobs that AI is most likely to replace by 2030. But here is the bigger picture. This is not just about jobs disappearing. It is about jobs evolving. Every technological revolution, from the steam engine to the internet, has replaced old roles, but also created new opportunities. Yes, some careers will fade away, but brand new ones will rise in AI development, cybersecurity, ethics, renewable energy, digital health, and beyond. The real question is this: are you preparing for the future? If you found this video eye-opening, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insights on technology and the future of work. Because the future is coming fast, and you do not want to be left behind.